Shiba Inu soared over 25% on Friday and peaked at over 96% gains on Thursday as the coin made its Coinbase debut. And it looks like it could explode again over the next couple of days. And in this video, I am going to be telling you why. Make sure you watch the video until the end because this video is fire. Welcome to CASHIFY, the #1 channel on YouTube dedicated to giving you high-quality content and high-quality cryptocurrency information. Also, we're giving away $300 at the end of the month to a random subscriber to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite crypto coin in the comments section down below. Now let's not waste any more time and get into it. What is Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token created on Ethereum by an anonymous individual known as 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗿𝗁. Shiba Inu's website says that the coin is a decentralized meme token that is growing into a vibrant ecosystem. SHIB is an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building. SHIB token is their first token and allows users to hold billions or even trillions of them. Nicknamed the Dogecoin Killer, this ERC20 only token can remain well under a penny and still outpace Dogecoin in a small amount of time, relatively speaking. Currently priced at $0 with a market cap of $3,928,287,853. Shiba Inu is up around 14% in the past 7 days. Shiba Inu is seeing its price surge Friday, with the crypto trending high in social media circles, less than a day after Coinbase Global launched trading of the coin on its trading platform. The official announcement tweet did very well, receiving over 15,000 likes. The China-based cryptocurrency Shiba Inu was modeled as a fun crypto, riffing off the success earlier this year of Dogecoin, which has been drawing increasing attention among crypto enthusiasts looking for the next buzzy asset. Shiba saw its value surge, along with Dogecoin, back in the spring as investors sought new meme prospects, including 𝗍𝗍 Inu, which trades under the ticker KISHU and is marketed as a community-focused, decentralized cryptocurrency with instant rewards for holders. The main reason for Shiba Inu's growth and hype is that it has a huge social media following across multiple platforms. With over 887,800 Twitter followers, over 221,058 Reddit subscribers, and over 170,798 Telegram users, the coin has a huge following and lots of supporters who believe the coin could reach highs of up to $1. The coin is of course very much in the news recently due to being listed on the two biggest crypto exchanges, Binance and Coinbase. SHIB, which features the image of a Shiba Inu hunting dog, is now the 48th largest crypto in the world. Dogecoin stands as the 9th largest, according to CoinMarketCap.com. As of Friday morning, Coinbase has been attempting to increase activity and trading revenues on its platform, and bringing on board assets like Shiba Inu may be one way at helping to drive that mission. The exchange platform only recently added meme asset Dogecoin to its trading roster, as a number of rival exchanges were offering the popular crypto. So do you think Shiba Inu could explode over the next couple of days? Let me know in the comments below. Cardano is soon going to hit $5 and you need to invest extremely soon. Want to know why Cardano is going to hit $5? Then click the video on the screen now. Before we finish today, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video and let me know what you learned in the comments. Thank you for watching until the end of the video.